ShoppingScraper AI has just been released, and in this video, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge software. Whether you're a digital marketer, e-commerce store owner, or just someone looking to optimize your shopping experience, this tool could be a game changer for you. Stick around to the end because I'm going to share some insider tips on how you can get the most out of it. Plus, I'll give you the chance to try ShoppingScraper AI for free using the first link in the description. Now, let's dive into what makes ShoppingScraper AI stand out. First off, ShoppingScraper AI uses advanced scraping technology to pull real-time data from multiple e-commerce websites. This means you can gather price comparisons, product availability, and even customer reviews instantly. Think about the power of having access to real-time pricing data across all your competitors in a single click. This is a huge asset if you're looking to stay ahead in the competitive world of e-commerce. Secondly, it's designed to automate the process of competitor analysis. No more spending hours researching what your competitors are doing. With ShoppingScraper AI, you can track price fluctuations, product trends, and promotional strategies. You'll be able to adjust your own pricing strategy in real time based on what's happening in the market. This automation of competitor research can save you hours each week. Another major feature of ShoppingScraper AI is its integration with multiple platforms. Whether you're running Shopify, WooCommerce, or another platform, this tool seamlessly integrates into your workflow. You won't need to spend time on complex setups. The setup process is quick and user-friendly, making it perfect for those who may not be super tech-savvy but still want to take advantage of powerful AI tools. Let's talk about the analytics. ShoppingScraper AI doesn't just scrape data and give you a dump of information. It provides you with actionable insights. You'll see trends in customer behavior, market demands, and even potential gaps in your product offerings. The software organizes all the data in easy-to-read reports, allowing you to make informed decisions without getting bogged down in complex data. The fourth thing you'll want to know is how ShoppingScraper AI helps with inventory management. You can track which products are being sold out by competitors and which items are overstocked. This gives you the chance to adjust your own inventory strategies, ensuring that you never run into the problem of stockouts or overstocking your products. With AI-driven insights, you can rest easy knowing your inventory is optimized. Another huge advantage is the software's ability to track product trends and consumer sentiment. If you're selling a product that's gaining popularity, ShoppingScraper AI can alert you to this trend. Likewise, if a product is on the decline, you'll know right away. Being able to pivot your offerings based on real-time data is invaluable in the fast-moving world of e-commerce. But perhaps the most exciting part is the fact that ShoppingScraper AI is entirely cloud-based. You don't need to install anything, and it's accessible from anywhere. All your data is stored securely, and updates to the software happen automatically, so you're always using the latest version without any hassle. You're literally one login away from having all your competitor data and analytics at your fingertips, wherever you are. And finally, the pricing. Now I know you're thinking, does all this come at a high cost? The answer is no. ShoppingScraper AI is incredibly affordable, especially given its wide range of features. And as I mentioned earlier, you can try it for free through the link in the description. That's a no-risk way to see if this tool can really elevate your business. To wrap it up, if you're serious about staying ahead of your competition and optimizing your e-commerce strategy, ShoppingScraper AI is definitely worth checking out. With its real-time data scraping, competitor analysis, product tracking, and powerful analytics, it could be exactly what you need to take your business to the next level. Again, try it for free by clicking the first link below and let me know in the comments how it's helped you. Lastly, after trying thousands of AI software tools, I've curated a list of the best ones for you to check out. All the links are in the description, so make sure to take advantage of those as well. Thanks for watching.